guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be doing a stew with some vegetables and broad bean to be exact. We're going to be also doing millets. We're going to be adding pumpkin to it and coconut milk to flavor it up. So in case you want to substitute something for us, it's a great grain alternative. Alright, let's get straight into this video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be cooking 2.5 cups of millet. Alright, and of course I want you to wash your grains first. Now for the millet, we're going to go in with some coconut milk and 1 cup of water. To this we're going to add some thyme or scallion. Bring that to a boil and then you add the millet grain. Alright? Alright, to this we're going to go in with some salt. You can bring that to a boil just to release those flavors, and then we add our pumpkin. Okay? So the idea is just as how you do pumpkin rice, we're doing pumpkin millet. Alright? We're also not going to leave out the pimento berries because we want a nice flavor. And also you can add in a Scotch bonnet pepper. Right, cover it and just bring it to a nice little boil, and then we add the pumpkins. Okay? We get the flavors going now, so we're going to add our pumpkin, and you want to add like around 1.5 cups of pumpkin. You can wait until that is like halfway cooked, then we add the millets. Now that the pumpkin is halfway cooked, we're going to add in our greens now. You can now allow that to bring to a boil until it's fully cooked. We're going to work with our stew now. Alright, so for the stew, we're going to be using broad bean. Make sure your tin is clean. And we're going to also be using okra. I found literally 3 Brussels sprouts. I'm going to use them because if I don't, they're going to go bad. We're going to also be using some grape tomato, variety of bell peppers, and carrots. Alright, so anything that you see here that you don't prefer, you can swap it out for whatever you like. Alright, if you don't like the okra, you can swap out for string beans. Also going to be using some thyme in it as well with garlic. And if you have ginger, you can use it. I don't have fresh ginger, so what I'm going to do is to use some ground ginger, right? tomatoes, you can maybe open some of them. That's smelling so good already over there. Yeah, so you basically can open half of them and leave the next half, right? And of course, you know we're going to use Scotch bonnet pepper. So let's move over to the stove. Alright, of course our millet over here coming along very nicely. And we're going to go in with some oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you desire, right? And to this we're going to go in with our garlic, or thyme and scallion. Get that going. We're also going to add in our tomato. We're going to add in our Brussels sprout and carrot. Want to get those going, being that they're a little bit harder, right? Add your okras and all your sweet peppers. Alright, we're going to go in with our broad beans. What I did, I gave mine a little rinse under the pipe. You can just allow that to cook down nicely. Alright? Easy little stew this today. Can taste if it need any salt or any other seasoning of your choice. You put back the cover on it and then let that be. Alright, and there you have it, guys, our nice bean stew with okra, and over here we have our millet cooking down so nicely. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time.